Hi, friends, I'm Luna. Get ready for a super fun adventure where we explore science, space, and all things awesome. Let's learn and play together. Today, we're going to build some super cool things using shapes. Have you ever seen a square, a triangle, or a circle? Let's look around and see what shapes we can find. Let's go! Shapes are everywhere. Look at this house. It has a square window and a triangle roof. And this car? It has round wheels. Ooh, and look at this yummy pizza. It's shaped like a circle, but we cut it into triangles. Shapes are all around us. Now, let's meet some friendly shapes. Here's a square. Square has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look at this car. Can you find 2 squares in this car? And here's a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and loves to balance. 1, 2, and 3. Look at this bird. Can you find 1 triangle in this bird? Next is circle. Circle is round and rolls super fast. Whee! Look at this tree. Can you find 4 circles in this tree? And don't forget rectangle. Rectangle looks like a stretched out square. Look at this house. The window is a square, but the door is a rectangle. Now, let's use our shapes to build something awesome. What if we take a big square and add a triangle on top? What do we get? A house! Wow! Now, let's add a rectangle for the door and 2 circles for the windows. Yay! Let's try another one. How about a rocket ship? We need a big rectangle for the body, a triangle for the top, and circles for the windows. Blast off! 3, 2, 1, whoosh! Now it's your turn. Look around you. Can you find a square? Maybe a book or a window? What about a triangle? Maybe a flag or a slice of pizza? And a circle? Maybe a clock or a ball? Shapes are everywhere. Can you find 3 circles and 3 rectangles in your room? Wow, we learned so much today. We met a square, a rectangle, a triangle, and a circle. We found shapes all around us, built cool things, and played a shape-finding game. Remember, shapes are the building blocks of the world. Keep looking for them, and I'll see you next time for another fun adventure. That was so much fun, friends. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe for more awesome adventures. Bye!